Welcome to beautiful Phayao, Thailand. Nestled around the stunning Lake Phayao, this hidden gem is full of rich culture, delicious local food and breathtaking scenery. From peaceful temples to vibrant night markets, Phayao offers an authentic slice of Thai life that we can't wait to share with you.
There's that. Put her there. What do you have? Everyone, so we're now here 3 days in to being in Phayao, staying with the in-laws. That's where they live. Just walking out of their property now. They live in a town, a small rural village called Champa Wei in Phayao. I just come back from a run. Oh, I love this dog. This dog here, if you can see. That's the next door's dog. She's beautiful. I've made friends with her. Yeah. I mean, it's crazy. 1 minute we're in Asok interchange in Bangkok, the busiest place on earth, and now we're in this quiet place. So it's taking a couple of days to adjust. We're here for, how long are we here for? About 3 weeks, and then we're going to go back to Bangkok and Pattaya in a remote place, but there's a 7-Eleven within walking distance, which is a touch, and it's only 20 minutes in the car and you've got like a massive Tops, which is a huge kind of like mall department store with a new cinema in it, Pizza Hut, KFC. So some aspects of well, if you call that civilization, not too far away. This one wants to get on my shoulders now, so I'm going to log off. We're going to check out this village. This dog loves George. Hello. Hello. We don't know her name, so we're calling her Rosie. Hey Rosie. She's absolutely gorgeous, and she... Ow! No. Alright everyone, this evening we are about to go to the night market here on Guan Phayao, which is absolutely beautiful. We just seen a sunset come over the mountain, which I got some footage of. So yeah, what we're going to do, George? Hey George. So yeah, we're going to get some food. They've got like some entertainment and stuff over there. and they've got like a big bouncy castle slash a slide that kids will play on. So yeah, this is Phayao. I bought the first thing I saw. These spiralized potatoes. They're like crisps, like a cheesy. My favourite dishes. It'sข้าวหมกไก่ like Thai biryani. Hi, สวัสดีครับข้าวหมกไก่นึ่งครับ
อ๋อเป็นไก่หมกหรือว่าไก่ทอดครับ
Oh, the healthy one.
อันนี้นะ
Yeah,นึ่ง. I had a KFC yesterday, so I went for a leg.
5 บาทครับ
I didn't go for the deep fried. 25 baht, £1. I'm also going to get some khao khao mu, like stewed pork on rice with like a very sort of like tangy kind of sweet aromatic kind of sauce on it. Loads of cabbage and broccoli and stuff like that. เอาข้าวขาหมูครับ1 ครับ and I always give you a boiled egg with it. Look at them pigs, little trotters there. You get lots of pork fat with this. Effing delicious.